Let us stop here for checking waters for the jeep. You can see right here, and the water coming from the top waterfall. Look at that. Finally reached Saiful Malook Lake. Now let's explore it together in this travel video. चलते रहो। चलते रहो, चलते रहो। पिज़्ज़ा So guys, I'm finally here in front of the lake, Saiful Malook Lake, which is also called Jheel in the local Urdu language. This is surrounded by mountains all around. You can just see in the background all are mountains there all the way. And the reason for this lake to exist here is that there is very heavy snow in the winter on the mountains, and that become actually glaciers, and then flew into this lake here. Just in the background you can see. And actually then right now it is August and the weather is still very cold here. It is like 11°C or 10°C. So basically that is the reason for this lake, and I'm showing you it from different angles. takes 1 hour to reach here to this Saiful Malook Lake, and the road is very bad. I mean, the condition is very bad. You just can only travel in jeep, and you should have a driver who is very experienced in riding the jeeps. And the water, I just checked the water. It is very cool water. Like you can say, like there is inside. I mean, the snow. The snow is inside. It is cool and very cold water, but still enjoyable. And I think this is natural thing to experience here in Saiful Malook Lake, which is also called Jheel in Urdu language. What's it? Difficult roads leads to beautiful destination, and I think this one is no exception. You can include this in that list, called Saiful Malook Jheel or lake here. We have an old man here, and he is going to tell us the story of this lake, but in Urdu. So just start. Shuru kare, please.
एक शहजादा शहर मिस्र दा आशम बादशाह दा बेटा था, जिसके नाम से ये झील दा नाम रखे गए।
उर्दू में बोले।
ये झील दा नाम रखे गए, और ये झील ख्वाब के अंदर देखा और परी भी ख्वाब के अंदर देखा मिस्र के अंदर। सुबह और अपने वालिद को क्या, आशम बादशाह को, शहजादे ने, मैंने झील देख ली है, परी देख ली है। तब बादशाह ने बेटे को मना किया। उसने बोला, बेटे आपको नहीं मिल सकती झील भी और परी भी। तो शहजादे ने बात नहीं मानी, अपने वालिद नाफरमान हो गया बाप तो। बहुत खूबसूरती देखी जैसी झील दी और परी दी, तो निकल गया शहर मिस्र के अंदर, दीवाना हो गया। घूमना लग गया, घूमदा कई साल लग गए, ये झील वाला रास्ता नहीं मिला। अगर गया एक जंगल के अबान लाके है, वहाँ शहजादा जंगल में घूम रहे हैं। बड़ा हुस्न वाला है, खूबसूरत इंसान है, तो वहाँ अल्लाह दा वली।
So guys, the Saiful Malook Lake tour finally came to an end. And now going back. And it was almost 2 hours tour, and let's explore another